Unacademy. Let's crack it.
What is the difference between the noir and the neo-noir cinema? Basic difference.
There are many. I will list the major differences.
Okay.
Film noir is basically from the 40s and 50s and was mostly in black and white, whereas neo noir comes in more vibrant colors and is from the 60s and 70s.
As far as theme is concerned.
Okay, so the film noir genre concentrated more on the psychological aspects and had stereotypical characters, whereas neo noir brings more of a sociological perspective and tries to bring in new themes such as urbanization, consumerism, social inequality, etc.
Okay. So Batman belongs to which genre? Noir or the neo-noir?
I would say neo noir, sir.
And Psycho?
Psycho belongs to film noir, sir, by Alfred Hitchcock.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.